Hi, just a quick video to tell you about the course of online ukulele workshops I'll be presenting in May. May 2024 marks 120 years since the birth of Britain's great ukulele pioneer George Formby, so I'll be presenting a series of 3 workshops called Fabulous Formby to teach you all about his magical ukulele style. The first workshop on 7th of May is called Focus on Formby, and we introduce the triple stroke and the split stroke. The following week, on the 14th of May, we'll do a follow-up to that and we'll do some more complex rhythmic patterns. We'll introduce the shake and we'll get on as far as the end of the song we started on the first session. Then we give you 2 weeks off, and on the 28th of May we do the third and final session, which is called Further Formby, the fan stroke. We introduce the holy grail of Formby style playing, the fan. There will be plenty of opportunity to ask questions throughout each of the sessions, and there will be quite intensive, active sessions. There'll be a lot of playing. Having said that, you don't have to join in. You can just sit back, turn your camera off and watch it like a TV show. If you prefer, you're very welcome to do that. Now, I'm expecting most of the participants will probably be using banjoleles. Ukuleles are equally welcome. Standard C tuning, G, C, E, A with a high G. You can book online at andyeastwood.com, and we'll keep the bookings open till about the end of April. See you there.